Number 12, using a light microscope, a student identified the following characteristics of 4 organisms found in pond water. So we have organisms 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then their characteristics. Based on the observations of the student, which organisms most likely belong to the taxonomic group for bacteria? So it's asking us a specific question about bacteria. So the first thing that we want to do is brainstorm and remember anything about bacteria that we can. So some of the things that we should remember about bacteria is that they are very small. Remember that we can't see bacteria with just our own eyes. We have to look at it under a microscope. Also, bacteria are prokaryotic, which, remember, prokaryotic means that you have no nucleus. They do not have that region where the DNA is held inside of a structure. Now, that doesn't mean that bacteria doesn't have DNA. It does. It just floats around inside of the cell. Another important thing to remember about bacteria is that they don't have, no membrane-bound organelles. And remember, the membrane-bound organelles are going to be things like the mitochondria and the chloroplast, a nucleus, those structures that are found only in our eukaryotic cells. So based on what we remembered about bacteria, some of the most important characteristics about bacteria, let's go and see in our data table what it tells us. So organism 1, it says, is single-celled. Okay, so bacteria is going to be unicellular, only one cell big, so that part is correct. Secondly, nucleus. Well, down here we said that a bacteria is prokaryotic, which means no nucleus. So that means organism 1 cannot be a bacteria. Organism 2, single-celled, that's true. No nucleus, that's true. And a cell wall. That's also true. Remember that some bacteria do have cell walls, that extra layer of protection around the outside of their cell membrane. Organism 3, single-celled, that's true, and no nucleus, prokaryotic. Organism 4, single-celled, that's true, and nucleus. That is not true. Bacteria are not eukaryotic, they are prokaryotic. So, looking back, the bacterial cells are going to be organism 2 and 3, which is answer choice D.